Hey everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video. Today, we're diving into a fascinating tool called SayHello, a powerful tool that resides within the depths of Kali Linux. But before we embark on this digital adventure, let's clarify something important. Ethical hacking is key. SayHello is for educational purposes only. Unauthorized use is illegal. SayHello is a tool designed for ethical hacking, a practice that involves using hacking techniques to identify vulnerabilities in systems and networks. It's crucial to emphasize that using this tool for malicious purposes is strictly prohibited and illegal. So what is SayHello really? Imagine a scenario where you need to discreetly capture a short audio clip from a target device. SayHello is the perfect tool for this task with the user's explicit permission. It cleverly redirects them to a seemingly harmless website, while secretly recording short audio snippets in a format approximately 4 seconds each. The magic behind SayHello lies in a powerful JavaScript library called RecorderJS. This ingenious library enables us to record and export the audio output from a user's microphone, all thanks to the Web Audio API. Unfortunately, the original developer of SayHello has decided to step away from the project. However, fear not, another developer took the reins and committed to maintaining and enhancing this tool. SayHello's capabilities extend beyond simple audio capture. It also empowers you to set up port forwarding using tools like Servio or ngrok. This feature enables seamless data transfer between the target device and your own system. In the upcoming part of this series, we'll delve deeper into the practical aspects of using SayHello. We'll cover the installation process, configuration options, and explore various ethical hacking scenarios where this tool can be invaluable. So stay tuned for the next episode. In the meantime, if you have any questions about SayHello, ethical hacking, or anything else related to this video, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.